Hello sailors, welcome to Builderfly University. In this video, you will learn more about the functionalities of your Builderfly App Design Editor. To navigate to your Builderfly App Design Editor, go to Build on your dashboard and click on Mobile Apps. Here, you will find all the features of your mobile app listed. You can scroll down to take a quick look at these. If you like to rebuild your app, click Rebuild, and to add your personal touch, click on Customize App. This is the dashboard of your Builderfly App Design Editor. This is your design section from where you can edit each screen of your mobile app. Below that, you will find App Settings. Here, you can edit the name of your app. If you want to choose a different logo for your app than your online store, upload here. Else, your store's logo will be taken by default here. You can change the theme mode you want for your app. Further, you can select a color palette for your app if you want to set a different color theme than your online store. Also, you can tweak your color palette from default options as per your choice. Once done with the changes, click Save. Next in the sequence are the push notifications. You can create and manage your push notifications in here that you want to push to your app's users. However, that comes only when you download the build of your app and publish it. In the Analytics section, you can see the real-time journey of your users on your mobile app. From Analytics configurations, you can configure Google Analytics and Flurry Analytics code to gain more insights about your app's performance and track user experience. It helps you fix the errors and optimize your mobile app as per your shopper's experience whenever required. Next is the Build section. Once done with the personalization of your mobile app, from here you can create the build of your mobile app both for Android and iOS users for final testing. Under the log history, you will see the edit history of your mobile app and that of the builds generated. Further, you can log out from this editor anytime and come back to edit later. In the next video, we will guide you with the easy customization using design features of Builderfly Design Editor. Don't forget to subscribe to Builderfly University and hit the bell icon to get notifications for our video tutorials to make sure you do not miss any of the tactics to flourish your business. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next tutorial.